When selling things on eBay, the more specific information you include about your item, the easier it is for customers to find your listings. With item specifics, eBay created a predefined list of an item's possible characteristics. Let's go ahead and open an item and take a look. Once a category has been selected, the predefined item specifics will appear on the Item Specifics tab. Each category will have its own set of defined item specifics. In 6-bit, we separate them out into a few levels: required, recommended, and additional. If you only want to see the required item specifics, recommended and additional can be hidden in the options menu of 6-bit. On this item, the category is books, so the required item specifics are author, title, and language. If you hover your mouse over the name of the item specific, 6-bit will show you a tooltip with the character limit and the frequency users search for that aspect. 6-bit will also display if the item specific will soon be required by eBay. This tooltip can help you determine which item specifics would be the best to include in your listings. Let's start filling out the item specifics for this book. We can select from the drop-down or type in a value if it's not available. Some item specifics allow multiple values. When entering multi-select item specifics, hit the Tab or Enter button on your keyboard when you finish selecting a value. The author I selected from the drop-down now appears next to a checkbox above the item specific. Only fields that allow multiple selections will populate the checkbox. We recommend that users fill in all of the item specifics as completely as possible. That will save you time later if eBay decides to update the required item specifics.